CS wakati huo.
Done it without the SJAK endorsement, and that's why I need SJAK to also be strong, because
We have our own people.
of 15 interests.
Then the structure that year, that's when the objective that
Welfare is now its own separate group. They've opened their own account. So I'll encourage members to join. I know in the AOB, you can bring up some of the hesitations you have about it.
The opportunities that we've created for the members, the institution progress that we've been able to make, the challenges that we've been able to encounter, and the priorities that we have now, and also what I believe should be able to guide us in the next cycle, and that is in the next calendar year.
Our SJAK family continues to expand. We have successfully welcomed more than 24 new members into our fold since our last AGM, proving that the association remains a vital home for sports storytellers. However, our growth faces a clear challenge. Several seasoned members have failed to renew their membership in good time.